Kim Zoyin. Kumnon Chianga Intensified Pulse Polio Immunization IPPI first round na ding to kisaya Divisional Supervisor le Sectoral Supervisor Dasia Omtia dingin tunin DFWO Conference Hall workshop hi tutut kinga danin hongtung ding January ni som le sagi sang ni le som le nga chiangin India gamsung pumpia IPPI first round omdinga Hai to kisayin Churachandpur District in Divisional Supervisor le Sectoral Supervisor ti et kainan waya kumngan wai ram naw pangte jingdal na dam doi don sakding hi Divisional le Sectoral Supervisor Dasia omte hi de tipaimuk Parbung, Vangai Bana Thanlon, Sinzol Biala Divisional Supervisor Thumle, Sectoral nga se inoma, Singat le Bihyang Biala Divisional Supervisor Li le Sectoral Supervisor nga, Henglep Biala Divisional Supervisor Ni le Sectoral Supervisor Li, Saikot Samolamlan Biala Divisional Supervisor Li le Sectoral Supervisor Gukle, Town Area Divisional Supervisor Thumle, Sectoral Supervisor Li se hiya. Tunya workshop na inahuna amouting Kim Takaki Helin, Dr. Gojendro Singh, Surveillance Officer, WHO in sinsak na hi.
Private government health setup the lager kabuto to visit this election. And 100 vision tribunals about 100 kilometers distance the same area to the monitoring the woman all 5 children are vaccinated properly. Settled population though. Adugi kape ba aduga aide sum mixing akoda
Join Orphan Home Churachandpur tena bolu kadam na cross kichi music video album jingchiang sonungda khatin Rayban College Auditorium a hon hyang na omding hi hai hunzan na Reverend Dr. V Lalngak Thang General Secretary RPC NEI in Chief Guest ina tuwapin Reverend Tuazachin Senior Executive Secretary ZPCS le Pastor Kham Khokai Finance Director ECAT Guest of Honor le Functional President in Pangdingwa Chief Host in Reverend Henpi Tombing Chief Coordinator PCIR Pangding hi Program hunsungin Mrs. Ruth Tombing in Keynote Address Genin Chief Guest sapang Reverend Dr. Vilal Ngak Thang in Hong Hedinga Reverend Sut Khan Thang Executive Secretary CBA in Pathian Kyangalat na ding hi kadam na cross kichi album hi le Churachandpur District sunga taga kepna orphanage home tuam omtien abolu hin ki gen hi to abangkala Presbyterian Youth Fellowship Presbyterian Church at PCS Lailam Vengtien Hingsim tha in kichi music video album bolu jingchang December ni som ni sang ni le som le nga jinglam dak som le kimin Presbyterian Church at PCS Lailam Venga Reverend Hang Piman Lunin Hong Khia in Pathian Kyangalat na ling nei ding hi Churachandpur District Catholic Youth Organization CDC Wayo Sainayin Don Bosco High School campus Good Shepherd Parish December ni somni sangni le somlenga tandai ding District Youth Conference kam annual meet as khatvena zane takin kipana tunin Reverend Father Joy Velal Tukara DCL Judicial Vicar in Kitien Nachi thupi zangin seminar ni inama kai hi yai khompia Good Shepherd Parish Salemveng St Mary's Parish Tuibang St Teresa's Parish Twaitiang Phai St Xavier's Parish Thanlon le St Thomas Parish Singata Pantwai Laiza Som Thumwal Pai Khomwa Janeta kin Reverend Father Matthew Mundoli Parish Priest Tuibang in Hongkhia in Hongkhia hi jingchang jinglam ki khopuna Reverend Father Victor Parish Priest Chandel in thugen na hunjangin sununglam in Reverend Father Emmanuel Colley in Role of Youth in the Catholic Church chi thupi jangin twilight ti laka sinsak na nei in nitakin khompi khang na nei ding hi
death. Assured death, the marriage is over because Jesus says there is no marriage in heaven. No? In marriage in heaven we are like angels. There is neither marriage nor giving in marriage. Nothing is possible in heaven. So, your wedding is only limited to one day, whereas marriage is limited to the whole life. So you should prepare for your wedding or you should prepare for your marriage.
16 New Lamka West MDC City Lian Guitiama ka in New Lamka West DCC Wam sunga PDS agent 10 tuni sunung da khatin Michael Ginjaswan DSO Churachandpur Office Chamber DC Office meeting nei uhi hai meeting a New Lamka West DCC Wam sunga PDS agent som te bana Churachandpur Assembly Constituency nominee N Mangpureng ki hela agent le nominee tien haksat na tuam tom ane te ki kop khom na nei uhi hai huna Bial to MDC in PDS jante kya nga PDS item tuam antang chini khonbak tuichi temi pilaka akilwal thei to pa hom khediang genin government apan scheme hong paite kya lamen lawa mani ke tawdel soma panla cha ding in haswan hi meeting hun sungin DS Churi Chanpur le Churi Chanpur Assembly Constituency nominee ten leng thilom dan pulang na nein mi pin a hiding bang taka PDS item te atan theina dingwa panla ding in haswan hi Churi Chanpur District Sunga Sagau Polte ki Pol Khomna Churi Chanpur Cattle Rearing and Meat Processing Cooperative Society ten tuni sunung da khalikimin amau office El Pau Thwam ten na in Red Cross Road New Bazara Thanksgiving program ni uhi thutut ki nga danin Churi Chanpur District Sunga Sagau Polten kumbangza hiam paitain Churi Chanpur Cattle Rearing and Meat Processing Cooperative Society ki chi phwanin tunelin member som thumne nga omlelwa amaw sunga sumne dan ki tho khomin ane lo zodeu te dop sang na dingin sum tam lo atho khom teu 2% a pungen loan in home zeluhi tunya Thanksgiving program ane nawa thang hulian chairman in society paidan to ki sai report pia in kum thum paita 2% punga loan a home hyak teu apungam sunte hom hyang nani wa member khatin sang azil tangkhaw hin thutut ke nga hi mi phatwam ngai mi mal le pol tuam tuama pan salpha te gal na sum JPO khuta lu jom to zelin zanle tunin lengal na sum hun khop lu non hi zanin aizola om nangchin khuble sungkwan ten salpha te sanga agalin paite vek infala om Dr Jenson Hau kible bungmala om partele asungkwan ten sang khatwa kin salpha te gal na ni uhi tunin Chalrofim of Khomoyin Sangayin salphate galin thangson jayon veng niulam kain zakhat din galna neya zanle tunin JPO khota galna sumsang sagi lezali JPO khota luthi jinchang in district hospital moka lanwa new bolzang zomi colony le tuibuanga omname polten salphate luang tutpi in leng khom dingwa SSPP Joint Headquarters Silong 10 Singpi Om Ding Uhing Hei to kisayin SSPP Joint Headquarters Silongin member Lamka Om Khating Phatwam ngai ta ka tel sia ding in thei sakna bola to bana hongtung ding January ni kwa sang ni le somlenga chiang in salphate in sik swaka salphate in kwante to ki thwa khom na ni somwa wai huna leng member kwa pe tel sia ding in mamuan kopsiam Secretary Department of Social and Culture SSPP Joint Headquarters Silong in ngetna bol hi Evangelical Baptist Convention Lamka North Division Choir 10 Gospel Music Video Album Bol Kyang Masang na penu ahin wangin kichi tuni sunung da khatin Central Lamka EBCC hon na nei wihi hei huna choir member te bana muntuam toma pande saktu lengai na tumi pi hun khop pai khomwa sabtuam heutu hun khop hai hun sanna ke heluhi program sanna hi le pastor le jathang local pastor EBCC Central Lamka in thumna hong khya in thon khanswan convener album subcommittee in baido na thugena Vibiaglal choir conductor in album to kisai pulang na nehi aman again danin apaisa July ni somni sangni le somle thumin heutu telem sakpi na bangin Reverend Pau Khanmang Divisional Superintendent Lamka North Division in BYF Lamka North Division choir kichi thumna to hongkhya a Lamka North Division huam sunga om khochia pan choir member ding pai khomin huainia panin lazil pata om hin gen him hiaina tuppe na hile twilight ti phatna la tung to na ki thwa khoma khat le khat ki han thon tua haksat na tia ki pan pi tua ding bana la sak ding dan ki sin saka mun tuam gam tuama om khia khuna leng akole poimo banga zat the dia om ding chi te hia khochia pan twilight bang za hiam pai khomin ni teng phiaren lazil na ne inom hin gen hi album to ki sai gen na choir member tamzoti sepna tuam ne hi manun la omti mandana na recording bolin tu khabulin EBC Gospel Centenary Hall a shooting ball hiya lun thom te in cover design hoi taka bol sakhin gen hi ahin wangin kichi music video album hi le Reverend S Vongmin Thang General Secretary EBC in Pathian min thupi na ding in hongkhia in Pathian kyangalat na ne hi
yai panna la te lokale Lamka Division Twilight Porte na Division Choir ina video album abolo ama ahin wangin chi kum tam tak kisap ko na sum tam tak tha tam tak se na bola na om hiai tu pi na igam sum ki minam sum on zel soka depresse lungkia de wana patiana ding ha jono no te dinga amal de sam ki tu patian ba to ya tu pi takidingin kei asia to asikain tuin hiai laina apa to le apa pa patian tapa patian le khasia to patian menin kaho ahe itu dibeli konsin Kenya konsin Kenya Jiangin choir member tele ita kong India Jiang kahi EBC Lakanor Division Choir Gospel Series 1 ahin wangin Jiang kigela lapoten de awahi do pa tu bina tahen pagpatian yaina ahin wangin ji album dunia bol ke kaum siakin namin patin nakya kipa thu kahon ge mahi to panam to kisai ge tinamba ma ka thei ke ma ahi nahi chin pachiak sisa te tunga nahi dan le leitung mi asite zelte tunga nahi dan le tang don de yong lo lei ko pe ra dinga pachiak nahi dan again siakin namin kahon pathi yai